Thank you. We're glad that you have tapped in with us for today's video. So join me as I dive into the new Grubhub offer screen and see if I can figure out the best strategies to maximize my earnings. The new offer screen for Grubhub drivers has finally arrived, and it's a game changer for those who want to take their delivery experience to the next level. This update aims to address some of the long lasting frustrations drivers have faced with the previous offer system. And I am excited to share with you what's new and how it can benefit you. One of the biggest frustrations a driver has faced with the old offer system is the lack of transparency. Let's talk about this new offer screen versus the old offer screen. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump right into it. I'm going to show you let's do it on this end. It's not focusing in. There it is right there. Boom. All right, that's the old offer screen. Boom, that's the new offer screen. All right, let's go ahead and share and compare the information that's going to help you maximize your earnings. With the old offer screen, there's the changes there. As you see at the bottom, you see the big blue button, which is the accept button, and the reject button is both at the bottom. Now, a lot of times drivers was frustrated with this interface. Okay, some drivers' thumbs bigger than others, right? So when they tapped on that accept button, the drivers was also hitting the reject button, causing it to spin out on this interface. So when it started spinning out, you missed that offer opportunity. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, ding-a-ling-a-ling. You got 1X, and then it sends a notification that you missed the offer. You still trying to hit it. It's showing the same thing, because also when you hit that button, then it comes a red, not red, but orange view where you're supposed to pick the offer at the top. So you steady hitting it, right? And then you miss it again, you miss it the third time, and if you're on block, it goes to unavailable, saying you're no longer available accepting offers. Okay, now you're no longer on block. Now you're being penalized 5% to 15% because your block have dropped, but not due to any fault of your own. Another problem that frustrated drivers when you went outside your region. When you went outside your region, you was getting orders coming to your app, but you weren't able to get them, or was detected that you had it until when you got into the zone, it shows that you missed 3 offers. Then once again, ladies and gentlemen, if you're on block, it will talk you from taking offers to unavailable. Once again, that 5% to 15% tile getting taken away from your schedule commitment on the Grubhub app. And you lose that many points, you lose higher access to your ratings, higher access to getting larger orders, higher access to getting better payoffs. So let's go ahead and compare the next screen. So now when a new offer come in, and they still beta testing it, and they tweaking it to see how it's working with the old interface versus how it's working with the new interface, and how each individual drivers are using both of these interfaces. Then once they gather that data, ladies and gentlemen, they will be implementing a better interface with this up and coming new offer screen that they got going on. As you can see right here, there's a difference. You notice the amount is at the top. You notice that at your left side, you're going to see the miles. Right side, you're going to see the order. The accept button is at the bottom. The reject button is at the top. That's the difference. Let's go switch over so you can see what I'm talking about. Old interface screen or the previous screen, you don't see that at the top. the reject button. The reject button is at the bottom. Accept button is at the bottom. Your miles is at the top. Your order is at the top, and the dollar amount is at the bottom. That is the difference of the screen. This screen is a better interface, ladies and gentlemen. And there's something else you need to notice right there. Look at the accept button in this video here, and look at the accept button on that old screen. The difference between these two is that now you can see the timer. And that's a big game changer for a lot of drivers, because now you have time to be able to look at your offer screen. But noticing that they is updating from the old app to the new one, there's going to still be some hiccups right there. The hiccups going to be them triple X's that you're going to get, triple X red box, and then you get flipped off the screen. So now you got a bird's eye view to make a quick decision, hit your accept button, go to your drop off destination. So when they first, let drivers knew about it, this was what they was doing, as they was letting drivers know this is what's coming in your area. And we're going to read that real quick. Introducing a new redesign for the offer screen. With this upgrade, we are making it easier to decide if an offer is right for you. You can now see how much time you have until an offer expires, and simply accept or reject. For most offers, you will have 50 seconds to choose the accept offer. So let's go. So that was our biggest frustrations, ladies and gentlemen. Most and for all, that's going to make a very significant change in the system, in my opinion, is the introduction of the offer strength metrics. That's going to take place too. And if it do, it's going to be a game changer, because it will give you the real-time feedback on how likely an offer is to be accepted by a customer. Wants to increase your chances of getting accepted? Look for offers with high strength metrics, and you'll be golden. This is one of my opinions that I suggest that Grubhub is doing to make the interface on our platform more user-friendly, for the drivers, less frustrations, and all of this about getting and receiving orders. So the implication of this change are huge, because it means you can start making strategic decisions and which offers to accept and which offers to decline. You can focus on the offers that are most likely to generate revenue and minimize your time on offers that are doomed to fail. It's like having a superpower, and I'm not exaggerating. So in my summary, the Grubhub offer screen is a massive improvement over the previous system. It provides transparency, flexibility, real-time feedback that can help you make more informed decisions and maximize your earnings. And it's a driven-centric update that finally puts the power back into the driver's hands. So have you had a chance to try out the new offer screen yet? Share your experience in the comments down below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on Grubhub tips and strategies. Happy delivering. Peace, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.